All right, YouTube land, it's Ryan here again. And Piggy Sue, yeah, she's a nice girl. And the Seagull SWS mahogany, gonna strum a few things and talk about something that I'm thinking about doing. So, I always wanted a Seagull artist or SWS folk with the mahogany and the cedar top. And there's one guy has posted on Reverb for like 800 bucks. It comes with the trick case, and he has it as excellent condition. In my opinion, it's very good. Excellent, I mean, maybe one knock. I would consider this excellent condition, but there's a couples. But anyways, I'm kind of thinking about picking it up. I've always wanted one. I'm a huge fan of the Seagull guitars. I don't know, there's other people out there that like them too. I don't know what it is about them. I mean, maybe it's the neck shape. The only thing I don't care about them is the tuners. So yeah, I'm thinking about picking that up. If there's anybody that responds, yes, pick it up, and it's still available, I will. I mean, my brother bought this guitar for me. It's like over 10 years old, and it's the same except for this one little smudge or ringer dinger that I put in it myself. I mean, that's my problem, but the frets are great. I mean, I play it. The action's the same. Thing about Seagull, too, is, I don't know if you know this, but a lot of them have Adirondack bracing, and it's a dovetail joint, but they also do something else to it. There's a bolt and a dovetail, I believe, or a bolt and glued in. Could be wrong about the dovetail. I mean, there's simple dovetails, and then there's their classic like Martin dovetails, but I don't know, for the money, I like Seagulls.